Welcome you guys. So today we are going to be making chicken pot stickers, also known as dumplings when boiled, momos or sumai when steamed. This is going to be a very easy 20-minute recipe. At the end we are going to get super tasty and crunchy pot stickers. So let's quickly get started. In a plate or a bowl, take all-purpose white flour, also known as maida. I have taken about 3 tablespoons. Add some salt to taste and start kneading into a dough. Use warm water, not cold water. Due to the warm water, the dough is going to be very soft and workable. Apply some oil at the end and let it rest for some time. For our chicken stuffing, in a mixer grinder or a food processor, add around 200 grams of chicken, lots of coriander for fresh flavor. This is half cube of Maggi Masala. You can take chicken stock cube as well. Now add some butter to the mixture to keep the chicken filling moist and soft. Add half a small onion. I have taken about 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce. You can take regular instead. You may add green chili at this point, but I'm making it for my child, a 3-year-old, and he doesn't do spice. Transfer it to a bowl and put it in the fridge to rest. Now on a rolling pin, let's start rolling our dough. I'm going to roll it super thin and big. With the help of a metal glass, I'm going to cut it into rounds. I can get up to 20 rounds from the dough I have prepared. Let's start stuffing. Apply some water to all the rounds first. And then with the help of 2 spoons, place our chicken mixture in the center, about a teaspoon each. I just fold them in half and stick the edges firmly. It's going to be very easy, don't be scared, cause the dough is super soft and already wet edges. Now I'm going to transfer these to a plate while I stuff some more. Do be gentle with them. Sprinkle some white flour if you find them sticky. Now heat up a pot. These are pot stickers after all. First, ensure the pot is hot and add some oil. Spread the oil evenly and start placing our pot stickers. Let them cook for a minute. Now add some water into it, less than half a cup, and quickly cover them up. It will take around 5 minutes to cook and for the water to evaporate. See, no water left at all. Now look how golden and crispy they have become. I'm going to quickly flip them because I want the other side to be crispy as well. Do not add any more oil at this point. These pot stickers do very well in tiffin and lunch boxes. You could boil or steam them as well, but I personally love the crunchy texture. This is how I served them to my child and he finished them all. For more balanced and nutrition meal, please visit my YouTube channel, Little Plates Big Growth.